Hello art heads, welcome to my channel. This is Zuri and welcome to ZK Art Express. On this channel I love to show you all how to draw simple subject matters that help you to connect to your inner artist. Now I have a special treat for you all today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw and color two ladybugs dancing the night away on the dance floor. Very fun and exciting drawing. I had so much fun putting together for today's art lesson, and I know you all is going to enjoy it as well. Now, without further ado, let's get drawing. Let's get into the video. First, before we do anything, right, we got to go over supplies. So here are the supplies I'm going to be using in today's drawing art lesson. Alright art heads, so let's get into the first step. So before I do anything, you already know I like to put down my grid. This is going to help me to have better control over portion and sizing as I draw this drawing. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to split the paper into half horizontally and also vertically. Okay, and you also, I'm pretty sure that you can realize as well too that this is going to be a vertical drawing. Usually I do horizontal drawings, but this is going to be a vertical drawing. So I'm going to split, like I said, the paper into half, and then I'm going to split those after I get finished splitting it in half. I'm going to split that into half, and it's going to give us 16 boxes. Okay, so next step is going to be, of course, getting into the drawing. I think what I'm going to do first is start off with the city in the background. So I'm going to draw like these geometrical shapes and weird like patterns and sizes to give that city appearance. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so you can see we have our city in the background here. So next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the party decoration. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to draw in I would say what the dance floor would be, okay, or the line that meets the city and the dance floor, if that makes sense. So I would say right here would be a good spot to draw that in. So we're just gonna go across and just darken it a little bit to represent that. Alright, now next step what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw in our two bumblebees that's dancing on the floor. Alright, so the drawing is in. Look at that. Already feeling the party vibes already. I don't know about y'all. So okay, let's get into the coloring. All right, everybody. So we have come to the end of today's video. I really enjoyed drawing this today, and I hope you all enjoy watching me or you follow along too. Please, guys, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, everybody.